Alright, kids, settle down, settle down. Today we are going to learn why you should never lie. Once upon a time, in a village far in the woods,
Peter, come home! It's your turn to watch the sheep.
Peter does his jobs very well until he gets bored.
This is so boring. What can I possibly do?
Then he has a mischievous idea.
Oh yeah. Wolf!
Peter, I'm coming! Peter, where's the wolf?
Guys, there's no wolf. I was just kidding.
Peter, how could you do this? You're in big trouble. Going home right now.
Oh, Mom, no! Please, no.
Now, Peter, I told you to behave, and you went and got the whole village riled up.
Mom, I promise I won't lie ever again.
There aren't many little boys left in the village to do this job, Peter. We're counting on you.
Why must they put me up here all alone? The only person here is this sheep, and I don't even like them. I'm gonna go crazy.
Peter climbed and climbed until the whole village could hear him.
Wolf! 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 Wolf!
Peter, I'm coming! I can't believe you lied again. The next time you cry wolf, I'm not going to believe you. You've humiliated our family, Peter. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'll prove to you, and I'll prove to everyone in this town that I can behave. I'll be the son you've always wanted me to be. This town will be different.
Until then, I don't know if I have a son.
Peter was not hit, but those words hurt more than any beating.
Wolf! Help!
Peter, it's time for dinner.
Peter! Peter! Peter, oh no! My poor boy, I should have believed you.
And that's why you should never lie. Because if you do, you will end up at the bottom of a wolf's belly.